Hi Armin, this is a quick screencast. I'm just going to run through quickly the labeling of images that get put into the media library. You've done a good job of labeling them. There's just a couple of things to make them more consistent to how I would label them. So I'll just go through some images and I'll talk through each one and we'll see how we go. So for this first one, we've got this is standing at Python Rock looking out. So I would be tempted for this one to put in view from Python Rock lookout, because it's not actually Python Rock lookout itself, it's the view from it. Lamington National Park, Queensland, Australia. So that one would be fine. For this next one, it's the Python Rock, I think, walking trail. And we always, Google prefers that the most intimate detail is first, and then it gets larger and larger. So for instance, like stunning forests of the Python Rock walking track. So we're starting off with what it is, the forest, and then moving out. So it's on the Python Rock walking track, and then Lamington National Park, and then Queensland. So you understand the concept. It's just the very first instance, like what is it? Like where exactly is it to give Google an idea of serving the correct image to prospective searches. So with the keywords as they are, so Python Rock track Lamington, which is good. It should actually be walking track. Well, that's the actual name, isn't it? So Python Rock track Lamington, that's fine. And we don't need to say in here forests or anything like that. That gets expanded in the alt text. And so someone who's looking for bushwalking in Lamington National Park, Google would go, aha, well, this image will probably be good because it's got stunning forests and it's on a walking track. So that's that one. So this one, we might say viewing platform, because for the most part, it's the image is composed of the viewing platform at Python Rock. We'll just capitalize that because it's a name of a place. And Lamington National Park, Queensland, Australia. Looking highest pine tree. Try and think of Google in terms of if someone searches for something, what kind of keywords can Google pick up on? So here we might just say stunning rainforests of Lamington National Park. So stunning rainforests of Lamington National Park, Queensland, Australia. So we're picking up on the word rainforest, and stunning is just a, more for people who actually read the alt text, but rainforest would be a good one there. And so forth and so forth. So that one, that's fine. Moran's Falls Lookout, it is what it is. Or, we could say view from Moran's Falls Lookout. Yeah, and that one would actually be right. Moran's Falls Clearing Lookout, because it's actually the lookout. Lamington National Park. We could say you could talk about this man here, but he's not really doing anything particular. So no, that's probably fine. Mixed Tower, Ancient Wishing Tree. So what we would say here is, yeah, we could say Ancient Wishing Tree, I suppose, but we'll put it first. Ancient Wishing Tree, Mixed Tower Trail, Lamington National Park, Queensland, Australia, and so forth and so forth. So I'm pretty sure you'd get an idea of what I mean from that. You don't need to go back to any images. Alt text is not critical to the success of the website, but it does bear a good amount of weight towards Google, which is going to get more traffic to the website. So it is worth just getting this format sort of clear so that you've got an idea. So I'll leave it with you, and thanks for all your help so far. Thanks, Harman. Cheers.